There's different kinds of sustainability, different ways to achieve sustainability. I would distinguish hardware-based sustainability approaches with software-based sustainability approach or data-based sustainability approaches. On the hardware side, there are many technologies, some of which are now somewhat commoditized, like solar power and wind power, other technologies like fusion, maybe carbon capture that are more kind of in the near future. These require a lot of investments. The software-based or the data-driven approach is a little bit more subtle. The advantage of it is that it's available today. And the goal of these types of technologies is really to make your factory more efficient as it stands. We believe that profitability and sustainability can actually go hand in hand, that it doesn't have to be one versus the other. Reducing the waste in raw materials, reducing the waste in production volume, and being able to build more complicated, higher value products that then increase the top line as well.